About the event besithethe ngayo eRivonia. Yeah, so uma ukuthi i-entrance fees ngayenza malini, I really need money, yes. Listen. Ndicela usebenzise uyabona lama pictures masha, the one we took the day before yesterday. Ngicela usebenzise i-picture ka Faith please because I think izasebenza umhle and everything. It's not easy. It's not easy keeping the house running because you have to make sure that there's gigs so that they can be able to pay the rent and everything. But at least I make sure we have manama gigs, maybe like 2-3 gigs a week. Yeah, as you know, a plus size is now on demand. Everybody wants to be entertained by plus size. And my gigs are maninzi. Yeah, so I've my gigs, but it's just that this time around kutulekile and it's so frustrating. Faith yena uze nami ndimthathe Eastern Cape all the way from Eastern Cape. I think ebekho ufike Joburg, I don't know when, but she's a very bubbly girl and she's full of life, beautiful and everything. Ngiyayithanda character yakhe. I think she's gonna do well in the house.
Chicken is rice.
Aqua wine.
But to Faith, I have this soft spot in Yana for her. I feel sorry for her, Shem. Because Nelly, I'm trapper. So but I've got faithful faith, so born.
So apparently I'm the new girl in the house. And everyone has a problem with it. Well, not everyone. Well, some try to be nice. I know they're pretending. Perfect now, I'm 70 and I'm here to make money.
Lomntana lo ufika one wafuna ukowna umngani wami. Makaqeda ukowna umngani wami. Angazi noma sekafuna ukuthatha nezinto ezibelonga kimi.
Really? Uyenzi lento leyo. Ayidinele ukuthi singifilise at home. You know, so it's very important to learn whenever yenzeki. You could actually click na yazi noma pictures. Faith in this house. Where's this gas lam liboile? Ngisathi ngisathulile noma dlovu wakhona my yellow bone. Boom. Azovela phambi kwabantu. Phambi kwalo Faith who is always waiting for my mistake.
Yeah, ngiyakubona. Akakwazi tu galo. Yeah, hey.
Umngani you wavalela phela. Udlogs naye the whole afternoon. You baze babhaqwa. Jesus. Unfortunately Faith was there.
Ngiyakuzoka naye ngelele. Hayi naye salukudala lawa na andofly imali yakhe yena
Ndivile nje manje mema ukuthi uyabiza ama boyfriend azolala apha imali.
The girl. No, but rules are rules, guys. Kuthiwa singezi nabantu bethu. Ayisoskepe this is a house.
Lots of mashela manje. Wazi ngamabuza.
Amanani wo.
Why you never see from there? Okay, guys. And then, if I have to get a mutarapa.
Get your life, girl. Get your life. Nelly, get your life.
Kodwa uyathanda ukulwa ke. Hayi alifaka ngadlalela umuntu. Yalifaka lezinqindi. So yeah.
Good news. So I have another cake. Did you see it? Like the new one.
Like seriously?
Can we discuss money first?
Usiyenzela ama bookings nabo kuqolane what bakhona. that nonsense. Mabasuka abasibhadali. Mina I need to send money in Newcastle.
Yeah.
I have a question. I know I'm new and I'm going to be reminded soon by someone, but I just want to know how guaranteed you are that you're going to get paid on the next gig when you didn't pay the girls on this gig.
Like this
Because I can't miss my time. I have to pay. I can't miss my time going to a group gig where I'm not going to be paid.
I was the language, right? Uzoluzotshela thina ukuthi sibhadala nini.
You can't be fighting if you don't.
As fighting if you want to call nini. Yes.
So it's get tangible. Like number one, Tolani was responsible for the. They just so ghetto, but yeah, we just have to work with them so far for now.
I also don't understand the attitude Gambari. Oh, she thinks we are fools or we are her children since angafuna usibhadala imali yethu, and we are all about money, guys. Money is what we want. To be quite honest, if all to that call, we shall call. I didn't imagine you know that. Yeah.
But and was not heard. And was not heard. That is my point. And was heard. No,
That's what we were saying. Okay, Liena. All she knows is that scoop of hers. Aloga busy Angela Nindaba as this Pamela. At the same time, she's also struggling financially.
You have Tolani's number. Do you have Tolani's number?
I don't.
Yes, got your number.
We got your number. Tolani is your client. Are you writing? No, not in my house. And then we like
No, be school in the way we see imali.
Apparently we've got another cake, but we haven't been paid for the previous
Hey.
What are you doing here?
These girls are harassing me. They've been calling. So that's why I decided to come here to sort it out.
See, whatever the problem is, now we're supposed to do phone and before you I was going to out of nowhere if we can change now.
Akayibhekanga i-call yami, but then I think amantombazana bamfonile ngokwabo. Mbale waza ke. And then I'm surprised xa libona umbale lapha. She didn't even call me. Ungasuka uzindlela yami unganifonelanga.
You all know the rules of this house. Ngiyazi nobana apha akufuneki indawo. So angifunda ngicela ukuthi umuntu ongumina, come on, umuntu ongumina. Now, yo. Awuzongena ngabantwana mina. Ha. Abantu beziphiphaya. Come on. Manje awuzobhadala into yakho. Abalandele wona qala.
Yolanda, yeah. Yolanda, she's okay. Uyasebenza, she's hard-working girl. Yes, ama-gigs amaninzi ke uYolanda baye bangamthathi because of la attitude anyana yakhe yokuthi, you know, I'm not begging and everything. Yeah, she's giving me a problem when it comes to gigs. You understand that?
That's why we need to go just have side hustles on the side. Singalindi Pamela ukuthi uzoza nalombali wakhe nabantu abangabhadali. Exactly. Yabo futhi makumbali yena nje umthena off. Uyangikhatha umthena off for good. Yazini. No, siqhubeke nalento echabi fames. Botanic. Yeah, it's coming okay. And Botanic is promising. Very promising.
Nelly.
Yes, umthatha left. Ukhohle ukuthi uzeleni la iGOLZ. And mina ngizela ukuzosebenza la. Exactly, Chomi.
Oh, she's a street fighter, village girl, local village girl.
No, don't give me that attitude, Nelly.
Uyathanda ukulwa. Apho khona kukho ingxaki nje yo
Hey, please. I'm interested, Shona. Why would you not interested in guy wam? I'm interested in your life. No.
But girl, I'm not complaining because ndiyapusha. As long as bezama bekhona ubhatala imali yami and everything. kanti wena ukholwa loo nto njena why akho nto yenzayo?
Abaniboni kaloku noba ndisisiciko seyiphi ipoti nje mna uyabazi.
Siyam.
Uyabazi nje uba abandazi wani.
Hayi abantwana nizothutha kude kube nini?
Ndakuxelela.
Oqala bakhona uafford rent.
Abeva inkani.
Khandi soya kude nokhela guys nisuka kude angikhumbuli nje but ndibuya nayo Eastern Cape.
Kukho laneli. Hayi saninkani. Xa ndithi 1 uvela athi 200.
And then bese kuzoba nalo Kelly wakhona, who is always watching everything esiyenzayo.
Kodwa yo uneli yamxhaphaza shema umntana abantu akuba kufuneka uthathe nayo indlela umntana abantu hlale zivalele ekamereni sefana consola lela wequ
Oqala abantwana ababhatale rent abakhona uafford rent.
Yeah, so Uneli, who's Nelly? Oh, that girl. Okay, Uneli has a problem with me, but she'll come around where I don't also have a problem with myself. I mean, look at me.
Nna ke tlo etsa tšhelete and Faith wa teng ha tla mo tlo nka tšhelete yake.
bathi besejimini nje
So rent imali bakuzibhatala kodwa ejim ayibhatala.
besejimini ne-choreographer. Wena uhlela apho libule kuqokozana nabantu abanemali uzobiza i-choreographer uzawushishusana.
Today I worked with this very amazing woman, like 3 girls. I never in my entire life worked with ladies, okay? So this to me is a new whole chapter.
We are grateful to be your
and
first.
I'm also excited, ne?
Yes, we are excited.
Okay.
Top us, we are your onion.
Oh, I'm their first choreographer. I'm so excited. Okay, that's where you must be flexible, okay? Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. Girls, you need some energy. Okay. Okay. So this was my first gig, big gig. So they are so nice. They are so nice. Na diva, it's a female version of a hustler.
Okay, how do we come to that?
Yeah, okay, you're gonna count 3. Okay, you're gonna start on your right.
Right.
Yes.
On
So
the counter.
3, 1, 2, 3, then twice.
Swing the
1,
hands up.
yes, 2, 3,
So
and swing 3 times. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3.
and 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and 1.
Okay.
Okay. Girls, I don't have an entire day.
This needs to go, guys. This needs to go so that all of this is ovela kahle. So that I can serve and keep serving. More money comes if the body is right.
Wow. Yazini, umsebenzi awenzile to die for. And like ngifunde nokutwerk. I learned how to twerk. Uthio taught me how to twerk and I am twerking now. I guess I'll be making more money to send home.
I enjoyed the session today with Theo. Oh, it was a very refreshing experience. I would like to add it to my daily routine during a boot camp.